Samsung is getting ready to take a big step with its software updates, and things are moving faster than expected. The One UI 8.5 beta program is now close to its final stage for the Galaxy S25 series, which means a stable update is right around the corner. At the same time, Samsung is not slowing down. Instead, testing is expanding to more devices, including older flagship phones. The One UI 8.5 beta program first started back in December 2025. The Galaxy S25 lineup was the first to receive this early version, giving users a chance to try new features before the official release. Over the past few months, Samsung has been actively improving the software based on feedback, fixing bugs, and making performance smoother. By March and April, the beta program didn't stay limited to just one lineup. Samsung began expanding testing to other Galaxy devices. This shows a clear strategy. Instead of focusing only on the latest phones, Samsung is trying to make sure more users get access to the new experience as soon as possible. Now, according to recent reports, the stable One UI 8.5 update is expected to begin rolling out on April 30th, starting in South Korea. This is usually how Samsung handles major updates, testing them first in its home market before pushing them globally. After that, a wider release is expected to begin around May 4th, which means users in different regions could start receiving the update very soon. For Galaxy S25 users, this is where things get exciting. The beta phase is coming to an end, and devices will soon switch to the stable version. This means better performance, fewer bugs, and a more polished experience overall. Everything that was tested in the beta will finally be ready for everyday use. But what makes this update even more interesting is what's happening with older devices. While the Galaxy S25 series moves to stable software, the beta program itself is not stopping. Instead, Samsung is continuing testing on older models like the Galaxy S24 series. In fact, new beta builds have already started appearing online in the past few days. This clearly suggests that Samsung is preparing to roll out these updates to more users. The Galaxy S24 lineup is expected to be among the next in line to receive the One UI 8.5 beta, and it doesn't stop there. Samsung is also planning to bring these beta updates to its foldable devices, including the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the Galaxy Z Flip 7. This is important because foldables often require extra optimization due to their unique design. Extending beta testing to these devices shows that Samsung is working to deliver a stable and smooth experience across all form factors. Looking beyond that, there is a strong possibility that even older flagship devices like the Galaxy S23 series could join the beta program. Samsung has been improving its software update policy over the years, and this move would further strengthen its reputation. Mid-range Galaxy devices are also not being ignored. Some of these devices are expected to join the One UI 8.5 beta program during April 2026. This is great news for users who don't own flagship phones but still want access to the latest features and improvements. As May 2026 begins, Samsung's main focus will remain on the Galaxy S25 series. The company will closely monitor the stable rollout, making sure everything runs smoothly without major issues. This phase is very important because it decides how fast the update can expand to other devices. At the same time, there is a good chance that stable updates will start reaching select older flagship devices. This could include phones like the Galaxy S24 series, and even foldables like the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7, depending on how quickly Samsung confirms stability. Once the Galaxy S25 lineup proves that the software is stable and ready, the expansion phase is expected to move quickly. Samsung usually follows a step-by-step rollout, but if everything goes well, updates could arrive faster than expected this time. The end of May and the beginning of June will be a very important period. This is when most users with older devices will be waiting closely for updates. If Samsung sticks to its current pace, many Galaxy users could be enjoying One UI 8.5 sooner rather than later. Overall, this update cycle shows how Samsung is changing its approach. Faster rollouts, wider beta testing, and better support for older devices are all signs of improvement. It's not just about launching new features anymore. It's about delivering a stable and consistent experience across the entire Galaxy ecosystem. Now the big question is, how smooth will the rollout be? And how quickly will older devices get the update? That's something everyone will be watching closely in the coming weeks. Share thoughts about this update and which device is waiting for One UI 8.5 in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so no future updates are missed.